No filter, so bad. That is bad. Look at that in there. It's so dirty. Look at that. Cleaner should be cleaning that. Wow, that's so dirty. And one more here. That's crazy. See, from that color to this. Wow. That coil is so dirty. This is, we need to protect. Very important. The coil. Now look at that now. This is a brand new unit. Here. Too much. Alright, all clean up. I know we installed this 5 years ago. So you see this before and after. Now it's all good, like brand new. Look at that coil. Side. Look at that.